everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 779 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out a product from my March 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate box, and this is the MANNA KADAR Step 3 blush that I got in the shade Bali Babe. And so if you have not seen my unboxing that I did of my March 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate box, I will have that video linked down below because I did it in comparison with the Boxy Luxe box. Both of them cost $50, but I compared the total retail value that you get in both of the boxes and then just kind of talked about which one I liked better. And so this blush is actually a full-size product that retails for $19. And it looks really pretty. I love this shade. It has a little bit of shimmer to it. It's cruelty-free. So I'm gonna go ahead and start by swatching it. Ooh, that is a really buttery texture. Ooh, beautiful color. Looks like some good pigment. Like it should actually show up nicely on my skin. But I love the glow. So you can see how it has some shimmery glow that gives some nice shine to it. I love a glowy blush to add some shine to the cheeks. And I actually figured why not use one of the brushes that came in my Mayeli set here from my Glam Bag Plus box. So I'll go in with the cheek brush and I'm ready to go right ahead and apply it. Oh wow, no kickback. Oh, this right away is applying absolutely beautifully. Like it's showing up with great pigment, blending out so easily. Oh, this is exactly what I want. Good color. It doesn't look too shiny, shimmery at all on my face. Like I don't notice any sparkle or shimmer, just the slightest bit of shine. Like that's one layer, and I feel like I can go in with a little bit more because I love the look of rosy cheeks. Yes, I think 2 layers is perfect. This builds up really easily and nicely on the skin. Built up, I can see a little bit more of the glow, but it looks so like a healthy glow on the skin. It's subtle, but I only notice it because I'm looking at it up close and looking for any shine. It's great. It's a perfect formula that just sits perfectly on the skin. There's no texture to it at all. And this brush is great too. Very soft, blending very easily. And I really like this color. It's a very natural flush type of shade. So my cheeks are looking rosy. But that's what I was going for. So I'm very happy with this. I'm definitely surprised that this costs $19 because the packaging honestly feels pretty cheap. I'm surprised this is a full-size product, but the formula performed so well that I'm really happy with this. I actually want to do though a wear test because blush sometimes just does not last on my skin and I'm like, where did it go? Because as you see, I tend to put on a lot of blush, but I feel like I'll go and look in the mirror a few hours later and it's like I didn't even put anything on my cheeks. So I'm going to do a wear test of this and I'll put in the description down below if this lasted, how it wore throughout the day, and I'm really hopeful that it'll stay exactly how it is, it'll stay put. But make sure you check the description to find out how this lasted on me. If you've tried this blush, I would love to hear your thoughts on it in the comments down below. when I was looking this up online, I saw that it came in a bunch of different shades. So I really love that, even for a blush especially, that they are being so inclusive in their shade range. Definitely a blush that I would reach for all the time. So thank you so much for watching this video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.